So question number 5 is going to be pretty similar to question number 4, except instead of increasing numbers, we are decreasing them. So what we want to remember is that, first of all, when we multiply a number, say x, by 100%, that means that we are multiplying it by, how do we express 100% as a fraction? We give it a denominator of 100, and 100 and over 100 is the same as saying 1. So we are just multiplying that number by 1. We are not changing it. In other words, if we want to increase or decrease a number by percentage, we have to multiply it by something other than 100% or other than 100 over 100. It'll have to be either less or more. So with that in mind, let's look at part A. What must a number be multiplied by to decrease it by 30%? So how do we express 30% as a fraction? We multiply, we give it a denominator of 100. So it's the same as saying 30 over 100. Now we need this number to be decreased by 30%, and what is the original percentage of this number? Well, originally we had 100% of this number, which is the same as saying 100 over 100, and we are taking away 30%, which is 30 over 100. 100 minus 30, we've got the same denominator here, so we can just subtract, is 70 over 100, which we can simplify to make 7 out of 10. And that is our answer. If we want to decrease a number by 30%, we would multiply it by 7 over 10, or 7/10. What about part E? So for part E, we want to decrease a number by 37%. So how do we express 37% as a fraction? We give it a denominator of 100, so that's equal to 37 over 100. And now we want to subtract 37 over 100 from our original 100%. So 100 over 100 minus 37 over 100 is equal to 63 over 100. And we can't simplify that any further, so that's the answer to our question. If we wanted to decrease a number by 37%, we would just go ahead and multiply by 63 over 100.